Located in the heart of Tampa Bay, this is the beautiful campus of Clearwater Central Catholic High School. Founded in 1962, CCC is a Blue Ribbon School of Excellence recipient. CCC sports have won a total of 36 state championships over the years with their commitment to athletic and academic achievement. That commitment recently saw the school upgrade both their football and baseball fields' overall quality with their investments in both. For relighting of these fields, CCC chose Frontier Lighting out of Clearwater, Florida, and Florida Lighting Maintenance of Sarasota, replacing their archaic metal halide lighting with new state-of-the-art LED sports lighting. With the assistance of the factory's representative specified lighting sales of Clearwater, Frontier also was able to provide the school with complete photometric layout and design for presentation, assuring that the school fields would be lit as you see them here today. Each fixture was optically aimed upon install to ensure complete and even coverage over both fields, eliminating glare and shadows. Coupled with their new field turf on the football field, Clearwater Central Catholic now boasts the finest competitive gridiron and diamond in Tampa Bay. If you and your facility would like to investigate upgrading any of your sports applications, from tennis courts, ball diamonds, and gridirons, please contact Frontier Lighting today. Better lighting simply equates to better play.